Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel. So make sure to watch the full video. OpenAI's GPT-3 Autoregressive Language Model, LLM, employs deep learning to produce text that is human-like. It is the third-age language expectation model in the GPT series made by OpenAI. GPT-3, which is currently in its open beta phase, has received a lot of attention and praise for its unrivaled capacity to comprehend text and produce text that is human-like. At the time of its release, GPT-3 was one of the most extensive and powerful language models ever created. It had access to an incredible 175 billion parameters. The GPT-3's exceptional performance is due not only to its size but also to the highly refined architecture it has. GPT-3 elevates the standard for language models and establishes itself as a pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence by harnessing the power of deep learning to produce consistently accurate and relevant results. The development of large language models like OpenAI GPT is one of the most significant developments in natural language processing (NLP) in recent years. These MLMs are a powerful tool for a variety of industries because they can comprehend and generate human language with unprecedented accuracy and fluency. In this article, we will look at how GPT and other models in the field of natural language processing (NLP) are changing the way we interact with and comprehend language. We will also investigate the effects of these MLMs on search engine optimization and the prospects for GPT-3 and other NLP technologies in the future. How GPT-3 and other language models are transforming natural language processing (NLP). GPT-3 and other language models are creating the largest language model ever created, allowing artificial intelligence (AI) to generate text that is human-like with little training data. The process of understanding and interpreting human language so that machines can acquire a deeper comprehension of the language is known as NLP. Machine translation, question answering systems, and other applications made use of NLP. By providing the first language model ever developed, GPT-3 and other language models have recently revolutionized NLP. GPT-3 is a simulated intelligence-controlled language model made by OpenAI, a San Francisco-based man-made intelligence research lab. GPT-3 has been used to create applications like text completion, question answering, and summarization because it can produce person-like text with little training data. Besides, GPT-3 is the biggest NLP model at any point made, with a size of 175 billion boundaries, almost multiple times bigger than its ancestor, empowering it to create more precise and complex results. BERT, XLNet, and Control, among other language models, are also revolutionizing NLP by delivering superior results from fewer training examples. These models are equipped for catching the subtleties of regular language, empowering them to create more precise outcomes. By giving the biggest language model at any point made and empowering man-made intelligence to create extraordinary text with negligible preparation information, GPT-3 and other language models are changing the field of NLP. AI can now better comprehend human speech thanks to these models, paving the way for more effective and accurate language applications. The implications of large language models for search engine optimization. Large language models, like OpenAI's GPT, are quickly becoming a powerful tool for marketing teams to generate text that is human-like, but they also come with a few drawbacks. The new declaration of OpenAI's GPT computerized reasoning model has created a ruckus in the realm of website improvement, web optimization. Given just a few words or phrases, GPT-3 is a powerful language generator that can produce text that is coherent. This has made it possible for marketing and sales teams to produce content of higher quality, with less effort, and for AI tools to be used as a commercial product. Nonetheless, the ramifications of such huge models for search engine optimization are not all sure. Using AI-powered tools to write articles and other content can be challenging and still limited by the data and training materials available. For instance, it tends to be hard for man-made intelligence to expound on subjects beyond its preparation material, and the man-made intelligence-created text might come up short on human touch expected to draw in clients really. Language generator models often can only generate text in a single language, which is another drawback. Content teams that must write content in multiple languages may encounter difficulties as a result of this. Furthermore, language algorithms are not always able to keep up with the most recent topics and trends because the internet is constantly evolving. These massive neural networks can still be useful for SEO, despite these drawbacks. They can deliver a lot of great substance rapidly, and can help showcasing groups to expand the range of their missions. In any case, it is essential to recollect that these calculations actually have a few restrictions, and ought to be utilized related to other website optimization devices and methods. The rise of such advances, for example, GPT-3 has critical ramifications for website improvement, search engine optimization, rehearses. Counterfeit news is a main issue, as text generators can deliver text that is capacity to recognize from true satisfied. Additionally, this product's ever-expanding data science capabilities can be used to tailor content to specific audiences, igniting an SEO arms race that necessitates professional expertise. What is OpenAI adjusting and why it's required? OpenAI calibrating is a course of working on a model's exhibition on a particular undertakings. By utilizing pre-prepared framework which OpenAI declared back in 2020, to better comprehend spreadsheets, words, articles, and other written systems. This procedure is necessary to produce results that are both more precise and efficient. Using pre-trained systems, OpenAI fine-tunes improves a model's performance on specific tasks. By allowing the model to concentrate on the particular issues at hand, these procedures contribute to an improvement in both efficiency and accuracy. To tweak is particularly valuable while managing a lot of information and when the undertaking requires more intricate investigation. OpenAI fine-tune makes use of pre-trained models that are made to handle common tasks, like natural language processing, image recognition, and language processing. This model is utilized to figure out how to all the more likely perceive and decipher information. This takes into consideration more precise and effective outcomes while investigating calculation, sheets, words, articles, and other composed frameworks. When the pre-prepared model has been prepared, the OpenAI tweak work can start. To get a better understanding of the task at hand, this task requires fine-tuning the model by adjusting its parameters. As the model is tested on a variety of tasks and its parameters are adjusted in accordance, this project frequently involves trial and error. The model can learn to recognize and interpret data more effectively with fine-tuning, resulting in more accurate results. OpenAI calibrating is a significant cycle for understanding bookkeeping sheets, Word docs, blog entries, and other composed frameworks. It helps a model perform better on a particular task and makes it possible to produce results that are more accurate and efficient. The model can learn to recognize and interpret data more effectively with fine-tuning, resulting in more accurate results. For better comprehension of spreadsheets, words, articles, and other written systems, such procedures are necessary. Brief designing versus calibrating. Brief designing and calibrating are two related however particular exercises used to make AI models. While ML training is the process of adjusting the model's parameters to improve performance, prompt engineering involves training and developing the model's code. In the creation of machine learning models, two distinct processes are utilized: prompt engineering and fine-tuning. The development of a model's code, including the selection of the appropriate algorithms and parameters, is known as prompt engineering. The objective of brief designing is to make a model that can precisely tackle the central concern. It necessitates a thorough comprehension of machine learning algorithms and the capacity to create code that can be utilized to train and evaluate the model. On the other hand, fine-tuning is the process of adjusting a machine learning model's parameters after it has been developed. This cycle includes testing various blends of boundaries to see which ones produce the best outcomes. Custom tuning aims to make a model perform better and be more effective at solving the issue at hand. It necessitates a comprehension of how the model's parameters affect its performance. as well as knowledge of the model's parameters. Both brief designing and modifying are fundamental for creating fruitful AI models. Any machine learning model is built on the development of code and algorithms, and the training process helps to improve the model's performance. Developers can ensure that their models are as accurate and efficient as possible by combining these two activities. As machine learning technology continues to advance, prompt engineering and fine-tuning will become increasingly crucial activities. As engineers become more adroit at creating and adjusting AI models, they will actually want to make more complex and viable models. They will be able to tackle more challenging issues and develop superior solutions as a result of this. The eventual fate of man-made intelligence. The fate of man-made intelligence is set to be a strong one. Google, Microsoft, and different organizations will research, creating, and executing artificial intelligence in different ways. AI will be able to converse with users, generate relevant responses to user inquiries, and even poetry. It looks like artificial intelligence, AI, will have a big future. AI will be researched, developed, and implemented in various ways by Google and Microsoft. Search engines like Google and Bing already make use of AI to respond to relevant user queries. AI is also being used to create poetry and images, as demonstrated by Microsoft's Poetics and Google's Deep Dream. In conclusion, machine learning models are created through a combination of prompt engineering and fine-tuning. Brief designing includes preparing and fostering the code of an AI model, while calibrating is the most common way of changing the model's boundaries to further develop execution. As technology continues to advance, both of these activities will become increasingly important. They are necessary for the successful creation of machine learning models. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us your thoughts about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.